It's feeding time. Just made them some food. About to wake they butt up. Get this over with for this morning. Hey, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Come on, everybody, come on. Since y'all so ready, huh? Gotta do it one at a time since I'm taping it. I don't know why I started taping so fast. Little pissy head. Oh, you thick. It's a thick one right here. Come here a little bit. Whoever wanted with the, oh, it's another thick one. Almost done, almost done. Oh, it's another thick one. It's a lilac. She thick than a motherfucker. All right, last one, last one. Come on, little fella. Get in there too. All right. Third feeding. How you doing? How you doing? I didn't see your hello at first. I was trying to get them ready. Blues, blue tries, lilac tries, and brown chocolates. Try. All for sale. Because get this one tail. I ain't even got a tail. Yeah, they loving it, man. I put that fresh goat milk in there with it. Mix it all up. Some of that bully sauce. Why is you in the middle of everything? Everybody gets some. That's what's up, man. Is it a try? What kind is it? Better go get some food and quit growling. Nice, nice. Got you. I'm about to lock that in right now. Definitely will be following you by the end of this show, bro. Three females, 6 males in here. I believe one of these blue ones is a female and a male. 2 lilac males, I think. 3 lilac males. Something like that. I forgot. I like these blue ones. I don't know why. They're just one of my favorite kind. Shit, I just mix it with mix their food with some just water, puppy food, and some of this here. This here right here make them big. Yes, sir. What's up with the boy, man? Boogaloo, what's up with you? Y'all done already? I know what they want to see. They want to see their mama come in. Come on. Y'all done? Get up out the food then. Get up out the food then with y'all fat selves. Go. She want to come clean up all their leftovers, like I made it for her. She like, hell no, get off my titties. Whoa, get off of me. I'm calling you, I'm calling the puppies. Is that right, little soldier? 5K each. Blues, lilacs, chocolates, abkc papers, some of the best bloodline, taking deposits. You drop that 1,000, make payments or pick it up, drop it all when you pick up your puppy, however you want to do it. You drop that 1,000 and pick the puppy you want. Just don't go past the due date, cause that'll get ugly. That's all I'm asking. Getting his, or hers, whatever they is. They got her a little bit. They're gonna be short. The daddy's so short. I'm gonna show him in the next video. Him and my other female that just had the last litter of tries. Some little bulls, man. They real bulls. I'm telling y'all. She need to get her weight back up, but she usually real healthy. You know, she just had the puppies though. You know how that go. 5K will get you one. That's cheap on this market. These cheap. 5K, that's cheap. Fairfield, California. Holla at me. What's up? What's up? No. What's up? 4 weeks old, be 5 weeks on Monday. 5 weeks on Monday. What's up with y'all, man? Just showing off these beautiful little pockets, man, you know. 5K will get you one. abkc papers. Just finished feeding them. That's why they in the pool. Just finished feeding them some food. 5 weeks old. Well, 4 weeks. Monday they'll be 5 weeks old. I believe this female right here gone already. Somebody about to come drop a deposit on it. But if he don't, taking them, should be ready. 3 more weeks. They short, daddy dummy short. Y'all see the mama, she's definitely short. Corey, come here. One of these things, boo-boo. Look. Get that up. Hey, get it all, look. Get in there. Your babies need you. Corey, get in there. fat little things, man. These things is nice and chunky, very well healthy. 5K, abkc papers. What's up? What's up? Whatever. Whatever. Who you talking to? Huh? You talking to them people? Come get me? Say, come get me. 5K, come get me. Huh? What you talking about? Huh? Your turn? What you talking about? Huh? You ain't ready. You ain't ready. What I mean, man? We got blues, lilacs, chocolate. Blues, lilacs, chocolate. Corey, hurry up. The little boy tripping. Look, Corey, right here. Clean it up before it starts stinking. You back? You back? You back? Look, she knows. She like the camera. She like it. Now she's shy. Okay. He trying to get them nipples, boy. But he on it. Straight nipples. Watch out. Move, man. Move. All right, y'all ready to go back and lay down? Starts right there. These things be having me cracking up. Once again, before I go, man, 5K, abkc paper. Mama and daddy here with me. Next litter will be ready in probably like 2 more months with my other girl. Y'all definitely gonna see her soon. But yeah, so 8 puppies left. 1 supposed to be gone. We'll see this week. If not, I'll let y'all know. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all come purchase from me one day and see what I got online that's real. Say it's real. Say it's real. Say it's real. Huh? I don't like cutting ears. I'll keep all my dogs with their ears. But you do what you want with yours. Purchase a puppy, cut them things off, man. Move, Corey. Alright, I'm about to pit them up. Appreciate y'all for watching once again, man. Be back every morning. I'm coming with one. Updates every morning.